course, ngayon naman po ay dumako po tayo sa usapang BIFAR. Okay, yung usapang BIFAR, wherein ito po ay ang pinag-uusapan po natin ay sa fish recipes. Walang iba kundi ang Palawan seaweed noodles. Very interesting, di ba? Bakit ang seaweed pwede palang maging noodles? Okay, sabi ng BIFAR. So ayan, babasahin ko lamang po ito para meron po kayong idea bago ko po kumbaga, ipalabas yung video po nito. Very, very short video po. And basahin ko lamang po yung kanilang press release. Fish recipes, Palawan seaweed noodles. Basta Pilipino, tiyak na malikhain, lalo na pagdating sa pagkain. The DA-BIFAR presents another episodes of fish recipes, lutuing isda na mga mangingisda, shows that highlights the seafood culinary scene of local fisher folk in the country. In this episode, the Cherries Fisher Folk Fisherman Cooperative from the coastal municipality of Quezon, Palawan, showcases its unique and nutritious seaweed noodles which can be used in making various pasta and noodle soup dishes. Okay? So, Tech Ariel, paki-upload nga yung video ng
Fisher recipes, lutuing isda ng mga mangingisda.
Okay, so yan. Nakita po ninyo, napanood po ninyo yung paggawa ng seaweed noodles. Ito po ay courtesy of BIFAR, DA-BIFAR. So,
live from Quezon City, Philippines, your news, current affairs, and public service channel, Margo TV Philippines, live.